Another day, another English lesson. Understanding complex prepositions by means of and on behalf of. In English, complex prepositions are groups of words that work together to show the relationship between other words in a sentence. Two common complex prepositions are by means of and on behalf of. Let's look at what they mean and how to use them. By means of. Meaning. By means of explains how something is done. It tells us the way or method used to achieve something. Example. He fixed the car by means of a special tool. Here, by means of shows that he used a special tool to fix the car. On behalf of. Meaning. On behalf of means doing something for someone else or instead of someone else. It shows that you are acting as a representative. Example. He accepted the award on behalf of the team. Here, on behalf of shows that he accepted the award for the team, not just for himself. Now, watch and complete the sentences with by means of or on behalf of. One. The politician spoke on behalf of all who voted for him. Two. They collected clothes on behalf of the local charity. Three. He solved the crime by means of pinning all the evidence and information to a bulletin board. Four. The teacher erased the board by means of a sponge. Five. He accepted the gifts on behalf of his family. Six. They traveled to the island by means of a traditional canoe. Seven. He opened the door by means of an app on his cell phone. Eight. She signed for the package on behalf of her company. I hope you found this worldwide ELT English language teaching video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.